Hello, adventurers, painters, sculptors, and everything in between. Today we're embarking on a quest of creativity as we turn this bland birdhouse into a lively, hidey hobbit hole, using this wonderful stuff we can scrape together outside and some modeling moss. First, we gotta find the right pine cones for our roof shingles. Have any luck finding them, Tom? Oh wow, it's a nice day out, Tom, huh? Well, let's get inside, we got our project to work on. Now Maggie takes the gathered pine cones and plucks their prickles to trim and shape them into shingles. Say that 5 times fast. Here starts the gluing. Looking good, Maggie. Just gotta press those in, shape them, get them in line. Looks like Thomas wants to provide some support as well. Let's take a quick break and give the cat some scratches. Yeah, there you go. Cat quake. Someone got the zoomies. Back to work. Looks like we're really starting to pick up speed. Oh, looks like someone got tuckered out. Let's check back in with Maggie in a bit. Oh, wow. Now for the stone texturing, we reuse an old egg carton, and we turn it into these perfect little round cobblestones. Can't forget to pet our assistant now. Now Maggie methodically places the stone-shaped carton with some spaces for grout and overgrowth later, trimming the edges all the way. Once we have that done, we run the bottom in a black base coat, and we're going to build that up with the lighter and lighter dry brush pass until we get our desired stone texture and color. To fill the grout of our newly planted stones, we use some finely blended turf and glue to create dense vegetation. Maggie glues, spreads it with this mini Q-tip, then applies the powder before shaking off the excess. Now we rinse and repeat over the house. Hey Tom, thanks for your help in this one. Now, some keen viewers have surely thought by now, what are they doing with the hole? Did they forget it? Is it a tiny window? Well no, we actually tried prototyping a chimney. We just didn't like how it looked and decided, let's patch this and pretend it was never there. So, you guys are going to pretend with us. For our main overgrowth, we wanted it to look like this house was built and then started being filled out by a dense species of bush. So we're first going to apply this all around underneath the roof. Oh, I sense a little mischief is afoot. A cat foot. Tom looks like he's actually going to join us for a bit. Oh, and he stole the glue bottle cap. Knew he was up to something. Maggie then hands the project to me so I can methodically grow this underbrush until it covers most of the grout, taking care to make it thicker at the tops and bottoms to resemble it having natural supports. I started by using these little tweezers, being extra careful, but you can see that didn't actually last long, as I quickly found out it's easier to just shred the stuff in your fingers and manually press it into place. And at some point, the stuff just started growing on its own. Now for the final touch. We can't forget this is a birdhouse after all, so let me just construct him a neat little nest, and with that we are done. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you enjoyed our first full-length video, and stay tuned for more.